I have a soundbar. Yeah! It is a wireless soundbar from TaoTronics. I wonder if the same people I have my light on. Probably. I put a light near my nightstand that's from them actually. So I got a couple of these products from this company already. It's wireless, so I wonder. Huh? No wires? I mean, looks very slim. My word. In here we've got a box, and it is a charger to charge the sound or keep the soundbar powered. In case you get this and you need to replace the AC adapter, or I need to someday. There's the specs on the back of it, so you can find one similar to it. And there's the style plug that it uses. We've got the remote in here. Ooh, and we have an optical cable as well. And we have an analog cable. And we've got some little screws and mounting thingies to mount it. Tiny little cute optical cable. Our analog and our remote, which requires 2 AAAs. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead. And ooh, it's got little holes back there so you can mount it up to your wall or something. Power, Bluetooth, volume up and down, and looks like an input or something. And all your ports are on this side. So over here we've got our optical cable, our power, and our analog. Kind of hard to see because I can't get the light to shine right on it. But it's in there. It's right there. 3 little ports. This other side's blank, nothing's on it. Very slim and low profile. That's pretty awesome. It's got some rubber feet, so keep it from sliding around on your entertainment center. Let me go ahead and power this thing up. I feel like this is something everybody should do. I marked on their wireless soundbar with a labeler. I didn't mark on it, I stuck it to it. That way I know what this goes to later on in the future if I have to unplug it. It doesn't come with AAAs, but fortunately I bought this Amazon Basics AAA back a while back, so now we got some AAAs for our remote. Alright, so it's pretty hard to see, but we have the soundbar right here, and when we plug it up through optical, we have to hit the optical button on the remote, which is probably the source button on here. Yep. And now we have sound through the soundbar. So now we can play a game and turn it up and down using the little remote. Pretty cool. Alright, so I don't get in trouble or get a copyright. I'm just going to include a tiny little clip of something to see how it sounds. You won't be able to tell how it sounds, but I'll give you the impressions, how I feel that it sounds.
Visiting hours.
Alright, first impressions are, it sounds way louder and way better than the built-in speakers on the TV. It's very slim and low profile, so it just kind of like sneaks in underneath the TV on the entertainment center. Looking pretty sharp, looking pretty good. And it does have Bluetooth, so you can sync up your phone, or if your media output device has Bluetooth, you can sync it to that. And the only wire you have is the cable that gives it power. Pretty awesome. I'll definitely be using it from now on. I will have a link to this in the description below if you want to pick one up for yourself. This is What Would Josh Do? And I'm out.